I'll bring you guys over here. This is Dan Life as a Dock Master. Our dock is 2 nice race modes. Should be another one. I'll put you right here. This one, yeah. How you doing? So, I love working Sundays for this job. Yeah. There we go, one there, yo. Oh shit. Big step, yeah. One there. Want to hand me that one? I'll cross the front once he ties that tight, and then you might want to get it under that line just so it's tight. The blue line, yeah. This friend, tie this one like this. Yeah, just to be safe, I'll do it. Turn this way. Turn this way. Turn this way. Go that way, yeah. There we go. We'll get one up over there, yep. If you want to get 2, I'll cross it and bring it up. Yeah. There's one there.
I gotta help the old man.
I'm gonna wait till he ties at the back, so I'll pull it.
Yeah, you don't want him to come too far forward.
Yeah. Alright. I'll tie this one, give it a little bit more slack, yeah. Not long enough. There we go. And now is a day in life as a Dock Master. Let's go.